I have included both 2018 and 2019 version magrets. Let me show you how to edit the template in Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel to import template. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this plus icon to install Magret. Place template to the timeline. In the Edit tab you can change text, font, color, cursor type, cursor speed etc. Let's change them one by one. First I am going to change the text. Here you can change font. Change typing speed here. Change cursor type and color here. Here you can change text position and scale. That's it. Thanks for watching.